We all know how to use these humble ingredients and make it to something amazing. And I call it PB&J sandwich. I know, life is hard sometimes, but make yourself PB&J sandwich can make your life a little bit easier. Just saying. Okay, which bread to use? What type of peanut butter to use? I don't know, man. Just give me anything on sale. I'm broke. Do you know that they don't teach this shit in culinary school? Somehow making PB&J sandwich makes me the best chef. PB&J sandwich is one of the best hangover food in the world. People who invented this, I love you. Making PB&J sandwich, you don't really need to be fancy. All you need is peanut butter, 2 slices of bread, and berry jams. My name is Derek. This is my PB&J sandwich. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs down if you hate it. Subs if you like it. This tastes really good. Sorry.